Hi guys, this is Kapil Solanki and welcome to my channel with a very big heart, and I hope you all are as fit as fiddle by staying home because the whole world has been going through this epidemic. So it's my first video on YouTube because I haven't ever made this kind of videos on YouTube, but still I have made my mind to upload the videos on YouTube. And if you really looking forward to learning English, so stay tuned with me because I'm gonna make you understand how to speak better English and how to pronounce like a native speaker. So before starting this video, let me tell you something about myself. I'm a good English trainer and I have been teaching English for the last 3 years. So in this video, I have brought along 4 extraordinary rules to improve your spoken English. So now it's high time to talk about these 4 rules. So the first rule that we have, try to create the environment of English. Well, what is the need of environment? Well, we know very well English isn't our first language. So what we have to do, if we really want to learn English, we have to put ourselves completely into it, right? So try to watch English videos and start imitating them, right? And listen to the English song. Whenever you watch videos, you have to speak as a native speaker. You will get to know the accent of the native speaker, which is very important for us. So now let's move to the next rule. Try to boost up vocabularies. Well, what is the need of boost up vocabularies? Well, if you don't have words, I think you will never able to explain any kind of topic in front of anyone. Let's consider somebody give you a topic, tell me about the women empowerment. So I think still you don't have words to explain that topic. So I think you would never be able to explain that time. So what you have to do, you have to learn 4-5 words every day, and you should know how to use these words in our daily conversation, which is very important and definitely boost up your vocabulary. And the second rule, learn English grammar. Well, it's such an embarrassing question for the students because most of the students ask me this question, sir, learning English grammar is really crucial? Well, I said yes. Why did I say yes? Because let's consider you have learned English, right? You have learned English by watching videos, by imitating the native speaker, but still you don't know how to make sentences in a correct way. And I am sure you will definitely take a lot of mistakes while speaking. So that's why learning English grammar is really must. And the last rule, which is very, very important, which is speaking practice. I think complete English depends on speaking practice. If you don't practice, I think you will never be able to speak like a native speaker. So keep on practice by choosing any kind of topic, right? The more you practice, the more you will be able to explain the words completely, and you will definitely become a fluent speaker. So this was all about these rules, and I must say, if you strictly, dedicatedly follow these rules, you would have a great, fascinating spoken English in just few months. Because guys, I have shared my own experience. I used to learn English by using all the rules. So if you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon too, that you don't miss any kind of videos that I upload on YouTube. Thank you.